morning class. Today we are starting with illustration number 5. The details of 3 portfolios are given below. मतलब first line में ये बोल दिया कि we have total 3 portfolios. Compare these portfolios on the performance using Sharpe, Treynor and Jensen's measure. मतलब ये सब में आपको तीनों measure से sum solve करना है. Sharpe, Jensen and Treynor's measure. You have a portfolio given. We have an average return given, standard deviation given and the beta is given. बताओ standard deviation और beta किसके लिए information में काम आएगा?
Sharpe and Treynor measure.
Sharpe and Treynor measure. So accordingly सबसे पहले हमें क्या बोला है? We have to do the sum from Sharpe. One more thing. The risk-free rate of return. This is RF, which is 6% given. तो ये हमें Jensen में काम आएगा. So अगेन मैंने आप लोगों को वो दिन भी बोला कि बार-बार फॉर्मूला नहीं लिखना है तो मेक अ टेबल, write down the formula one time and then make a 3 columns of the portfolio. If 2 portfolios are given then more 2 columns. Same way for the Jensen, formula लिख के रखो and 3 more columns for the portfolio. Jensen के लिए भी same ही करेंगे हम. Now starting with the Sharpe one, what is the formula? Average return minus risk-free rate of return divided by standard deviation. Let's go for portfolio 1. What is the average return of portfolio 1? 10%. So 10 minus risk-free rate of return is 6. Divide by standard deviation. 0.2. This will be numerator will be 4, denominator will be 0.2, answer comes to 20. Same way we have to calculate for portfolio 2. Average return is 12%. Risk-free rate of return is 6.
Upon 0.3.
Standard deviation is 0.3.
30.
So 6 divided by 0.3 will give the answer of 20. Okay, means देखो portfolio 1 का भी 20 आंसर आया, portfolio 2 का भी 20. Correct? Third one. Average return is 15. Risk-free rate of return is 6. And standard deviation is 0.25. So this will be equal to 9 upon 0.25, which will be equal to 36. So Sharpe का हो गया. Portfolio 1 का आंसर is 20%, second का also it is 20 and third का it is 36. Now moving to the Treynor. Numerator is the same. Denominator नहीं change है, सिर्फ denominator में क्या आ जाएगा?
Beta.
So let's calculate. Average return again is 10. RF is 6. And beta measure is how much?
1.
1. So 4 divided by 1, which will be equal to 4. Same way for portfolio 2. 12 minus 6 divided by beta कितना है? 1.25. So this will be equal to 6 divided by 1.25, 4.80. Third, 15% is the average return, 6 is risk-free return, and beta is 1.1. This will be equal to 15 minus 6 gives you 9. Divide by 1.1, 8.18. 8.18. So ये हमने Sharpe का we did of the Treynor as well. Now moving ahead to the Jensen measure. Jensen is based on CAPM. So we are going to write out the formula of CAPM. Now for the portfolio 1, risk-free rate of return is 6. Beta is 1. RM, देखो RM का already percentage is given. It is 13%. And risk-free rate of return is 6. Now this will be equal to how much? 6 plus
7.
How much? 7. Just 6 plus 7, which will be equal to 13. Same way for portfolio 2. Risk-free rate of return is 6. Beta is 1.25. RM is 13. Again minus 6. This will be equal to 6 plus
8.75.
So total will be
14.75.
14.75. Same way for portfolio 3. 6 is risk-free return. Beta is 1.1. 13 is RM. 6 is risk-free return. 6 plus 1.1 minus करेंगे we will be getting 7. 1.1 into 7 comes
7.7.
7.7. So this will be
13.7.
13.7. यहाँ पर some end नहीं होता है because Jensen says that you have to subtract actual return में से expected return. So our next step will be actual returns जो already दिए हुए हैं ये उसमें से हमने जो expected returns अभी find out किए हैं वो minus करना है. So the same way what you can do आप लोग ऐसे ही वापस एक टेबल बना के उसमें कर सकते हो. You have to write it down the difference between actual returns and the expected returns. Then do the formula actual minus expected one. अब portfolio 1 का देखते हैं actual कितना था. 10 was actual. हमें कितना मिला? 13. So 10 minus 13 will be equal to minus 3. Either you write it in minus 3 या तो bracket में लिखो 3 को. Because bracket implies subtract. That amount is in the negative form. Second के लिए it is 12 is the actual one. 14.75 is the expected one. 12 minus 14.75 which will be equal
Minus
to
2.75.
Same way for the third portfolio. 15 is the actual return. 13.7 is the expected one. 15 minus 13.7
1.3.
which will be 1.3. अब एक बार वापस क्वेश्चन चेक कर लेते हैं क्या हमें कुछ कमेंट करने बोला है. हमें बोला है आप कंपेयर करो कि कौन सा पोर्टफोलियो बेटर है. सो हमें तीनों का कमेंट देना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू डू द कमेंट. कैसे लिखेंगे कमेंट? First one now. In case of Sharpe's measure, let's check कौन सा पोर्टफोलियो ने बेटर परफॉर्म किया. बोलो कौन से पोर्टफोलियो ने बेटर परफॉर्म किया? पोर्टफोलियो 3 परफॉर्म बेटर. As compared to
1 into
1.
don't write only 1 and 2, write complete one. Portfolio 1 and 2. Second way ट्रेनर के लिए करेंगे. क्या सेंटेंस देंगे हम? Check
in
करेंगे.
case
Which one is better in the case of Treynor?
portfolio
Again,
3.
portfolio 3 is better. Who will tell me the sentence? What I should write it down over here?
In case of Treynor measure, portfolio 3 perform better as compared to portfolio 1 and 2.
So in the Treynor's measure also, portfolio 3 performed better than portfolio 1 and 2. Third, Jensen's measure. Which one is
Portfolio
better? Which one is better?
Third.
Third one. क्या लिखूंगी मैं?
In case of Jensen's measure, portfolio 3 perform better as compared to portfolio 1 and 2.
Same.
Same.
ठीक है. One more thing. When it comes to Sharpe's measure, आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो कि in case of Sharpe measure, portfolio 3 outperformed better than
Other two
portfolio
portfolios.
1 and 2. You can even use the word outperform for the same. ठीक है. Same way we will be writing down for the Jensen. So in case of Jensen's measure, portfolio 3 performed better than portfolio 1 and yeah. Any doubt?
No miss.